Step 1. Come over to youtube.com where you can find different videos and can earn free PayPal money 2022 by just watching YouTube videos. I want you to click on any of these videos, and once you open the video just like this, I want you to make sure that you watch at least a minimum of 30 seconds of the video so that you can earn $5 for each YouTube video you watch. All of these are real payment proofs from people all over the world for all the videos they have watched. Here's exactly how much free PayPal money you can earn with this. If you watch just one YouTube video, you can earn $5. If you watch 10 videos, you can earn $50. And when you watch 30 videos per day, you can earn up to $150. And the good thing is that you can just repeat this as much as you want and keep on making money. You just need a mobile phone or a computer to do this. First of all, I want you to click on sign in button on the top right corner and it will take you to this page. Now if you don't have a YouTube account already, create your account by just clicking on create account and choosing for myself. And on this page, you can literally create a free Google account and sign up on YouTube. Once you logged into your YouTube account, one thing you will notice on the left-hand side is you can see the best of YouTube from there. YouTube will show you the best performing videos from each of these sections such as music, sports, gaming, movies, news and so on. I want you to click on gaming from there and it will take you to this page. Under the gaming section, there are literally millions and millions of people watching these gaming videos on YouTube, and they don't know how they could be making a lot of free PayPal money. But today, I will show you a secret strategy which nobody's talking about that can make you free PayPal money 2022 in just minutes. And that's exactly how all these guys are making $5 again and again for every single video they watch. This is completely free and 100% legit way to make free PayPal money 2022. YouTube is actually available in every country, and you can watch it from anywhere in the world to earn free PayPal money. Right now I will give you the first bonus tip. I want you to focus on this category of video, Minecraft, which is one of the most popular games that is trending right now. When you click on Minecraft, it will take you to this particular page where you can find a lot of videos about Minecraft gameplays, and one of these live streaming videos is running right now. And for the second step, all you have to do is to click on any of these live videos. If you click on this video, it's going to take you to next page where they are running a live stream. As you can see, a lot of people are watching this video and there were a lot of demands to watch these videos, and so are the opportunities to make free PayPal money in 2022 using these videos. Make sure you keep watching because I will show a bonus tip at the end of this video which will help you to make 10 times more money than others. And in a minute, I will show you exactly how you can make a lot of free PayPal money with this kind of YouTube video. And the best part is, you can repeat this again and again for a lot of different YouTube videos on this category. To turn these YouTube videos into actual money, we have to go on to the second website which will help us to earn free PayPal money. As you can see, people are earning $5 watching videos again and again using this strategy. On this website, you have the opportunity to shorten the URL links and earn free PayPal money with them. Don't worry, I will make it really simple for you. It's actually much more easier than you think, and there are very few people talking about this strategy right now. And you can make a lot of free PayPal money in 2022 if you watch this video all the way till the end. The name of this site is 7r6.com. So the concept here is really simple. You just need to sign up for a free account on 7r6.com, and from there you have to shorten different URL links of different YouTube videos. I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a minute, and you can make free PayPal money for every single video. Now I will show you one example of exactly how it works. If you're watching these YouTube videos, under these video you can find the share button right here. Click on this share button and you will be able to find the YouTube URL link of this particular gaming video, and from there I want you to click on the copy button. This will copy the link of this YouTube video, and then all we have to do is to go back to this website 7r6.com and paste the link into this box. Now as you can see here, I just put in the link of that YouTube video into this box. Now click on this little button. This website will automatically help you to shorten this long YouTube link into a brand new unique link. Now, whenever people will click on this unique link, you are going to get paid. That's exactly how all of these guys are making big money on this website called 7r6.com. Once you've earned your money, you're able to cash out your earnings into your PayPal account, Bitcoin, Web Money, Perfect Money, and Payeer. There are so many different payment options. So for the first step that I want you to do is to come back to the homepage, and I want you to click on the sign up button on the top right corner of the site. And from there, you will be taken to this page where you can register a brand new membership. And once again, this is 100% free and available worldwide. Now, I want you to submit your username, your email address, create your password, and check this box of terms of use and privacy policy, and then click on the register button. After you sign up for a brand new account, and when you log in, this is what your dashboard will look like. On this page, I want you to click on this button on the top left corner, which is New Shorten Link. Click on that, and here we're going to copy and paste our YouTube URL links so we can shorten it and earn free PayPal Money 2022. So right now, all I want you to do is just go back to your YouTube video, click on the share button and copy this URL link. Then go back to your dashboard and paste that link right here into this box. And under alias, I want you to type in Minecraft, which is the name of the video, and I want you to just click on the shorten button. And that is your Minecraft shortened link. So step number 3, I want you to go back to YouTube and repeat the same process for up to 3 different videos. The more YouTube videos URL links you copy and shorten, the more free PayPal money you're going to make. This is the next bonus tip that I want to share with you, that I want you to focus on this particular category only, because this will help you to make a lot of free PayPal money using it. I want you to focus particularly on live streaming videos only. Now let's continue. I want you to click on this video. And that's going to take you to another live streaming video. From there, we're going to repeat the same strategy. Click on the share button, then click copy to copy the URL. After that, go to your URL shortening page and paste the second URL link into the box. And then we're just going to put Minecraft 2 in the alias box and click on shorten. That's the second link we successfully shortened. Remember what I told you, just repeat the same strategy to make big money online. You have to find different trending YouTube videos, then just copy the link and shorten it with the help of 7r6.com. Now moving on to the 4th step, I want you to come over to this site, steamcommunity.com. But before we move further, if you guys are enjoying this video, then like this video and comment down below the name of your country so that I can make more money online videos for you and others watching from your country. Also comment down below the name of the games you often play. Now this is a gaming website or a gaming platform where a lot of people discuss about different strategies to play different games. Right now on the Minecraft game, there are so many different discussions going on. As you can see here, a lot of people are talking about this game. This game is trending right now, and they're getting millions and millions of views every single day. So this is going to be your biggest opportunity to capture this trend with the help of 7r6.com and make a lot of free PayPal money from all of these YouTube videos. Now basically what you can do is that you can sign up for a free account on Steam Community and put up a post about Minecraft or about any other trending games and share your shortened link from 7r6.com into this Steam Community through that post. And from there, you're going to be getting a lot of clicks from a lot of people. They will view your link, click on it, and watch the YouTube video. And for every single click, you're going to make a lot of free PayPal money, and from just one video, you could be making hundreds and thousands of dollars. For those of you guys who are still watching, I want to give you a special bonus that will help you to earn triple more money than others. Now this is going to be a secret website that I've never shared with anyone. But right now I want to share with you the secret website, which is moot.us. Basically, this is a special forum where you can find different people discussing about this game Minecraft, and there are a lot of people posting different photos and different videos relating to games. Now basically, they're getting hundreds and thousands of views from all of these videos about Minecraft gameplays. And since you watch this video all the way until the end, I want to share this opportunity with you to make more free PayPal money, especially if you focus on this category. When you copy the link of this kind of videos, which is live streaming videos, you could be getting hundreds and thousands of clicks and you're going to be making a lot of money online. Right now, as part of the special bonus that I have promised you, I want to share with you this free done-for-you template that you can use in order to make a lot more money than others. So you can just copy this template and you can share this on the Steam Community or on moot.us forum as well. From there, you're going to be getting a lot of clicks on your shortened link and you're going to be making a lot of money. So this is just one of the examples in which you're going to get a lot of clicks. This is how I structured this template. Have you guys checked out this amazing Minecraft gameplay video? It's mind-blowing. You can watch the live streaming video right here. And this is where you're going to put in your shortened link from 7r6.com. So just go back to your 7r6 dashboard and copy this shortened link from there. Then go back to our template and paste the link right here. Now all you have to do is just copy this entire done-for-you template and post them into these 2 websites. You don't have to put in a lot of effort because these particular gaming category videos are picking up a lot of trends and they're super popular right now. That's exactly how a lot of people are able to make a lot of free PayPal money 2022 for every single video that they watch. And now if you want to earn even more money, click on the video showing on the screen to make free PayPal money 2022 for just watching YouTube videos.